Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana, quick update here because I have made a, adjustment to the micro count down here. You will remember in the previous videos, we highlighted that now that the target has been reached down here in the area between $17 and $17.90, the low could be in. Yeah, the low could be in, but that's so far. The price hasn't given us any clear indication or confirmation that a low has been made, a lasting low. So we also had defined previously some targets lower. So if the price cannot turn around here in our target range right now, then we will have to expect a drop all the way down to $15. Now, it doesn't need to go to 15, but there are a few levels between the current level, $17.90, which has been one of the target levels, and yeah, the $15 level. There are a few levels to watch. For example, $17, $16.11, $15.89, and yeah, $15. These are the levels to watch. Below 15, however, the overall assumption on the chart has to change and the overall wave count will need to be adjusted. But at the moment, it's all going according to plan. We did say that the wave count was complete to the downside, but that never means that we have to turn around. It just means that we now need to be watching for reversal patterns. But I also highlighted that until we see some kind of an impulse to the upside or a 5-wave move, my assumption is we will make one more low. And I have now adjusted the micro count here to reflect that. Remember that we talked about that we are in a WXY structure, so WXY, and we're now in the Y wave. Within the Y wave, we have an A, B, C structure. That's unchanged. But the way how I have now highlighted the C wave, yeah, this looks much better than it did before. Here the wave 1, here the wave 2, here the wave 3. I mean, the previous wave count guided as well. I just think even, you know, with a look at the latest wave structure here, it is quite likely to make one more low. Yeah, and also it hasn't broken above any resistances, and also Bitcoin is expected to make another low. So from that point of view, I want to consider it in the wave count. That wave 4 will give us now an idea of where we need to highlight our resistance area. We can do that here together. And then one more low to at least $17 next would be expected, but possibly, as I said, all the way down to 15. So what is resistance for this wave 4? I mean, it's possible this wave 4 is already in, but it could stretch a bit higher. We need to know against which level we can now focus on lower. And based on the latest wave count, that would be here, yeah, but I need to adjust it quickly. I want to add the golden ratio as well, because we're dealing here possibly with a diagonal. So a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, even though that could be an impulse, but I still want to consider the 61.8 retracement, because it's not entirely clear whenever they move in these diagonal patterns or descending wedges. It is often a diagonal pattern, and then we need to consider the 61.8 retracement level as a resistance level for wave 4, which means it could, if it wants to, stretch a bit higher. But that means against $19.37, another low is expected. And that would then be here in the wave 5, and I will be watching the next level, well, the next target here. The $17 level will be the next level I watch. Yeah, if Solana, if the price breaks out of the descending wedge to the upside, and we get 5 waves above $19.37, then we have the first signal that a lasting low has been made. But at the moment, I'm still primarily watching for a lower price. Just one more low maybe, and then we can see if it forms an impulse to the upside. That's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.